Alright guys, so look what we have here. Yes sir, a toolbox, new toolbox. I've been putting this off for a while. This is the Icon 73-inch roller cabinet with the work center and stainless steel top. Has all the power drawers and stuff like that. Let me get this unboxed and show you guys what it looks like. And she's up. So this is the box I was using before compared to now. I'm gonna have a lot more space, which means time to buy more tools. Pretty soon here I'll be doing a tour of this. Overall thoughts, it's a really good box for the money. Has the power drawers and stuff. With the work center hutch, I'll show you what it looks like closed. That's what it looks like closed. Probably do some sticker stuff on here. The inside, get a light bar, some LED lights. And that's pretty much gonna be it. Again, for the money, this, you really can't go wrong. And then a lot of people I've seen have had problems with shipping, like their boxes being dented and stuff. Didn't see anything, so we're all good here. Oh, let me do the satisfying. I'm gonna leave this on here. This is actually tape that came with the stainless steel top. I'm gonna leave that on there just because if you peel it off, you can't really see the Icon logo. But here's everybody's favorite. Yes, sir. So there she is, guys. Icon 73-inch with the work center, stainless steel top. Yeah, you can't really go wrong. Thanks for watching.